Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Are you wondering how your investment stacks up? Well, let's compare it to your portfolio to market benchmarks in Empower. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to compare your portfolio against benchmarks in Empower. Now, the first step is to go to Investing tab. Now, from your Empower dashboard, you're going to click the Investing tab that's in the top menu. Next, you're going to open Performance View. So select Performance to see how your portfolio has done over time. Next after that is to select benchmarks. Now use the drop down to choose a benchmark like the S&P 500, Dow Jones, or a custom index. Next is to compare the returns. So view side-by-side charts and percentage showing your portfolio's performances versus the benchmark. And finally, adjust time range. You can change the date range, 1 month, 1 year, or a custom date to get a much clearer picture of trends. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.